Okay, I'm ready to shoot myself in the head here. I've purchased these in the past. They're a great product for the price point. 75 bucks from my wholesaler. Good fan size, very whisper quiet, love them. But the exact same thing happened to my other fan at 22 Oak. So see that little thing there? That little, the hinge, right? The butt hinge? That's the pivot point of the flap. I just went in, and I know better. This isn't the first time I've handled this. And it's broken. It's broken now. Again, last time I had to glue a finish nail there with a hot glue melt gun, and it was painful. I was ready to shoot myself in the head when I installed this last time. And I vowed to call this company and go, guys, figure this out. Because now you have to go back up into the attic, remove the boot assembly, remove everything to fix that. And who has time? Who has time? So there's got to be a better design for this.